The girl who loved birds. Everything about them she loved. She saw shows, looked at them in cages, and had loved every minute of it. She even stood next to him. But when that became boring, she wanted to do more. So she went to a hawk walk, flying hawks. It flew and followed along. He would eat and fly. Slow-mo, oh yeah. They took very good care of me. I would like to give them a very special thanks. This video is for you. I got back and played with the Agario and a bit of Minecraft. But I had an amazing day and I will hope to go again. Bye Tokyo.